Okay. Now, what is transpose of a matrix? So, if I have some matrix, say A, okay, A,
Yes.
I, J, okay, let
Yes.
this be M by N matrix, okay, then
Yes.
the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called transpose of A. Okay,
Yes.
so let us see uh, uh, the example for this. Okay, suppose if I have
Yes.
A as 3, 5, root 3, 1, 0, minus 1 by 5. Now this is of 3 by 2,
Three.
3 by 2.
Ah. 3 by 2.
Now then the transpose or written as A prime or A transpose, right? Then this should
Yes.
be written as 3 root 3 0
Yes.
5 1 and minus 1 by 5.
1/5
Now this will be 2 by 3.
by 3.
So this is the transpose of it. Okay.
Ah. Yes.
Okay, now here are the properties of the transpose of the matrices. So A prime to the power prime, that is A transpose to the transpose will be A. And the next is K multiplied A to the power prime or transpose, which gives as K A prime.
A.
Here A, K is constant. Please remember this, K
Yes.
is constant. And A plus B to the prime gives A prime plus B prime, and
Yes.
AB whole prime gives B prime A prime. Okay, so
Yes.
these are the properties of the
Properties.
transpose of the matrices. Okay, now let us solve this. A being given as this matrix and B has been given a matrix. Okay, and let us verify this. Okay, so first let us solve the first one, that is A transpose to the transpose, which is equal to A.
3, 4.
Yeah, very good. So let us put that. So 3, 4 and root 3,
Root
2
3, 2,
and
2, 0.
2, 0. That's it.
Okay.
That. Now what we have got is A prime. Now let us find what is A prime to the power A transpose. Okay. So that will be
Yes.
back again. So that is
Yes.
again 3 root 3 2 4 2 0, which is nothing but A. So
A.
hence we have verified the first one. So let us consider A plus B. A plus B. Let us add that. We get A plus B as this, right? Now, since we got this A plus B, let us find what is A plus B transpose this. So this will be, we got A plus B whole prime as this. Now we have to get this result as A prime plus B prime.
Plus
Okay,
B.
so let us do that now. So let us find what is A prime. So A prime will be 3, 4
3. Root. Root 3,
root 3, 2
2,
and
2,
0.
0.
And B prime will be
2,
2
1
1
minus
minus
1
1
2
2 and
2
2 4.
4
Now we have to find what is a prime plus b prime,
plus
because
b prime.
we have on the right hand side what is a prime and b. Let us add that and get the result,
Yes, sir.
left hand side as well as the right hand side. So hence we have verified what is a plus b whole prime is equal to a prime plus b prime. Okay, or the transpose.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us see the next one. We have to consider the third one. So let us first find what is k into b. Okay, so first we'll find that.
Okay.
Yes. Now we have found what is kb. Let us find what is kb whole prime, or the transpose of this. So that would lead to, yeah, transpose, kb transpose as this. So let us find which is should be equal to k. So let us remove that. So k outside. So that would be 2 and 1 minus 1, 2, 2 and 4.
4.
So this is the prime, right? So k
Yes.
b prime. So we got given the third result, which is kb prime, which is equal to k times b prime, where k is a constant. Okay? So we have to verify that a b prime is equal to b prime a prime. Okay? So
Well,
let us
a
find
prime.
that. Okay. Now multiplying this with this, and then this will be 4, right? 4 into 1. 4
12.
into 3 is 12, and
12
minus 24.
minus
6
4.
fours, yeah. 5, 15, and minus 30.
30.
Yes. So we got AB now. So let us find what is A prime. A prime will be minus 2,
Minus 2 to
4, 5.
4. 5.
And this will be 1,
1
3,
3
minus 6.
minus 6.
Now we have to find the right hand side, which is B prime and A prime. Okay,
A prime.
so B prime will be 1, 3, minus 6, and A prime will be minus 2, 4,
2
5.
4 5.
Okay, so let us find what is B prime and A prime now. Okay, and you multiply it. So let us find
Also
it. So first
minus 2
1, yeah, very good, minus 2, and this will be
4
4 and 5.
5.
Okay, next is minus
Minus
6,
6
12
12
and 15,
15
and
24
12, 24 and
minus
minus
30.
30. So we got this. So this will be equal to AB prime whole prime. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that right? So AB whole prime is equal to B prime plus A prime. Okay, let us understand what is symmetric matrix. Okay, a square matrix. Okay, suppose if I take Aij. Okay, is said to be
Yes.
symmetric if A prime is equal to A. That is, suppose if I have A as root 3, 2, 3, 2, minus 1.5 minus 1 and 3 minus 1 and 1. This is said to be symmetric as A prime is also A. So that's what I meant. Okay, symmetric.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us express this and as the sum of the symmetric and the skew symmetric. Okay? So by the theorem, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric. We can write that as B is equal to half B plus B prime plus half B minus B prime. Okay.
B minus B prime.
Yes. So let us find B prime. So please tell me what is B prime now?
2
Yes, 2.
minus 1,
Yeah.
1
Yeah.
minus 2,
Yes.
3
Yeah.
minus 2,
Mm.
minus 4,
Mm.
4
Mm.
minus 3.
Yes. So this is B prime. Okay.
Yes.
So let us find what is the first one. Okay. We will label that as P. Okay. Let us first find this.
1 minus 2.
Please check. Minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3.
Minus 3. Yes.
Next will be minus 3
Minus
again.
3.
Next minus 3,
Minus 3.
6,
6. 2.
yeah, minus 3,
Minus 3.
2
2
and
minus 6.
minus 6. Good. Minus 6. Okay, got it. Now further simplify. So if you simplify, you'll get minus 2, that is 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and minus 3 by 2 again. So this will be 2, 3, and this is 1, and this is minus 3 by 2, and this is 1,
1,
and this is minus 3. That's
3.
it. So we got the first result. Let us look at the next result. Okay. So let us find this. Q. So half into now B minus B prime. So first one will be 2 minus 2, which is 0.
0.
Next minus 1,
My,
and next will be minus 5, right?
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, 1, 0, 6, and 5 minus 6 and 0. So we get this. And divide by 2. So that will result to 0 minus 1 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 and 1 by 2, 0, 3, 5 by 2 minus
5 by
3,
2
0.
minus 3, 0.
Yes, that's it. So you got what is Q here. So Q prime will be
0.
0,
1 by 2.
1 by 2, very good,
5 by 2.
5 by 2,
Minus 1
minus
by
1 by
2.
2,
0.
0,
Minus 3.
minus 3,
Minus 5 by 2. 3.
0.
0.
Now we got what is Q prime and what is Q. So in a skew matrix, it should be q prime E is equal to minus q, right? So
Yes.
see, we got this. So we found what is P and what is Q. Let us put that together. Okay. So let us, what is P? P will be
2,
2 minus 3 by 2
3 by
minus
2,
3 by 2.
minus 3, 3 by 2,
Yeah. 3.
3, 1, minus 3 by 2, 1, minus 3,
Yes. Plus what is Q?
0,
Yeah. Good.
minus 1 by 2,
Yeah.
minus 5 by 2,
Yeah.
1 by 2,
Yeah.
0,
Mm.
3,
Yeah.
minus 5 by 2,
Minus
5 by 2,
5 by
5
2.
by
5.
2,
5 by 2.
5 by 2,
Yeah.
5 by 2, minus 3,
Yeah.
0.
So now when we add this, we get as 2 minus 2 minus 4 and minus 1, okay, and 3 and 4, 1 minus 2 and minus 3, which is nothing but B. So B is represented as the sum of the symmetric and the skew matrix, skew symmetric matrix. Okay,
Yes.
so that's what we have done.